What started off as a small camping gear provider is now supplying armies with container-sized power stations. The combination of diesel generator and electric battery reduces the need for fuel transport convoys, which are often an easy target in warfare.
Diesel, you always need the supply of diesel. Our systems work also with photovoltaics, with wind turbines, so you have a much higher resilience.
The containers, which offer up to 50 times more energy than conventional generators, are costly and not easily sold on the private market. Thanks to Europe's boost in defense spending, company founder Johannes now supplies several NATO forces with his energy systems, expecting a rapid increase in revenue.
If you don't want to stand still with economy development, the defense market gives you large opportunities. I expect the growth for this year about 4 times the turnover, and next year even more.
It's not only battery producers that are jumping on the military bandwagon. A German automotive supplier has started to manufacture rocket parts, and the country's iconic Volkswagen factories could soon produce tanks instead of cars, as the weapons industry expands production in view of ever-rising orders.
Also, the German car industry is in the midst of a transformation process. But now with this option of more demand for arms, we will most likely see a shift into this direction of producing all kinds of military products.
Eyeing perceived Russian military threats and diplomatic difficulties between Brussels and Washington, Germany laid out a $570 billion defense and infrastructure spending drive to boost its domestic military industry, with small and medium-sized enterprises often figuring as key links in the industry's supply chain. But Europe's arms build-up process, Zinecker says, will take time, as any new production usually takes some 4 years to get running. Johannes Pleschberger, CGTN, Würzburg, Germany.